All right, back in action on Barry's 76 Eldorado. We're going to change out the seat motor assembly, you know, the transmission, all that. So right now it'll go forward and not down. I mean, it'll go up, not down. Now it's kind of stuck everywhere. And it goes forward, it won't go back. I'm wondering if it's in the switch. But no, because it's clicking, so it's telling me trans. So we're gonna unbolt the seat, rock it back, and then change her out. Barry's got an NOS one. We'll open this up here and we can see it. Brand new, never installed, new old stocky stock. Nice. Look at that. It's got the Fisher Body logo. That's wild. This is back when manufacturers cared about their product. But I digress. Okay. That's cool. Alright, so getting this out, it's not going to be the easiest. Mainly because the track is in the way and the seat is in the way to unbolting it. So, but there's the motor itself. So we're gonna pull this all out and see what we got. So I was able to see, get our seat all the way forward, get this hardware out, and then look, guys, it's more of a contact issue in the switch because she's going all the way back. But I'm gonna get everything unbolted up here at the front, and then we can rock this baby because something's funky still. But forward and back are behaving. Well, 2 out of 4 ain't bad. Old motor's out. Here's our new motor. Now we start reassembly. So preparing to assemble, one of these things is not like the other. This is the one that came out of the car. Notice how it's straight across on our bolt pattern. The replacement is offset, and also it had a longer shank on the drive, which was conveniently cracked right out of the box. So this isn't the right one. So I'm going to clean this and lubricate it and put it back in. And we can definitely tots and pairs that it'll work better. Because that's the transmission. Anyway, so clean this up. I'm going to put her back. And fingers crossed, eh? The number's even the same. This is the new, quote unquote, new one, which is 2000-93031. This is 998-1696. And 95. Those are the halves. But you can see that looks similar until you get to the mounting boss. So this one is not correct, and it was cracked anyway, so fun. Alright, so it's hard to shoot this and hold the phone and everything, but we're going to do a system test. It's not hooked up, but, you know, the motor will engage no matter what, but it should go either left or right, depending which way you're going. So, move seat back. Yep, see it spins towards us. Move seat forward. Spins away from us. Okay. Spins towards us for lifting the back of the seat. Nothing. See, that's me bumping it the other way. Nothing, just lower the back. Okay, so nothing to lower the front. So it would still spin, even if it was maxed out. So we need to get a switch for this as well. Well, at least there's symmetry now, and the seat's back. But, yeah, that transmission's not happy either. The switch isn't happy. I even jumpered it to try to get it to work where we wanted it to work. I ended up having to do it by hand by, like, turning the little cables. So, yeah, well, it's ready for the show, and we'll get the switch assembly and the right transmission, because the motor works great. So we get those two items and we'll be styling.